Sergio Mattarella vetoed plans of two populist parties to form a coalition government. Now, Brazil's government says it's reached an agreement with the main truck drivers.
I got no chemtrails here, so they're not trying to block out for me because the biggest white sun there. Anybody seen my video? And I'm going. It's all going white. It's all going white. Beware, black man. Black people. Beware, black people. Well, then I went and seen they yesterday. A lot of arguing. Kept hearing over and over again. He knows too much. He knows too much. It's not right. This isn't right. Must be why they tried to kill me before.
The government has offered a 10% reduction, but can hardly
remember I told you a story about that.
$1 billion it will have to pay the state oil company Petrobras in compensation.
You guys be sharing.
What's taken many here by surprise is just how quickly a country as well developed as Brazil, with the 7th largest economy in the world, can be brought to its knees. With the economy fragile, a weak government can only offer temporary partial solutions.
I haven't noticed any comments and seen nature in my the sheep and this and that. I tried to film myself with the dolphins when I went swimming with the dolphins. 144,000 people in that city. I was the only one swimming with the dolphins.
Brazil's economy is not weak.
And all they were, some were worried about was they were making a traffic jam. Because dolphins never been up this river. Said to my daughter straight away, oh no, don't worry, they'll wait for me. 7 hours later I came back to swim with them. Nature's got a secret, guys.
There have been more protests against President Daniel Ortega in Nicaragua. The latest one has began. There's a group of students trying to take over a university.
I'd really like to know what the Indians had to and their knowings of with nature. Because if only it wasn't the Christians who went to find America, if it was somebody a little bit more peaceful, you know, like the Christians took Jerusalem back once. They chopped the Arabs' heads off for 3 days of head chopping. There was that much blood spilled. One of the Crusades when the Christians chopped off the Arabs, Muslims' heads. I think it worked both ways, but 3 days of head chopping they had lined up, eh? And then they hit America, and what did they do? Killed 1 million buffaloes, even killed the white ones, what the Indians didn't. White buffalo, millions of them, tribes scattered. Never got down to see what their like tribal, like in your guys' world, religion or Bible is about. Never got down to listen to what the Indians were on about, eh? Just called them savages. Guys, I see a lot of these Christian crusades, and I don't know how come you guys can't see them who are even Christians, with desiccations, what your religion's done along its way. It's chopped off heads for 3 days, and what, you're not even in Jerusalem, you'd give it to the Jews. Ugh.
Sri Lanka against India last year, and another game against Australia.
The pure race, they say.
The Australia match raised suspicions at the time.
But I'm pretty darn sure I seen in your book once that it's the mixed blood what's going to inherit the earth. So
fix the result of that match.
I think one of them is on the wrong page. Well, I know I am mixed blood.
Mendes declined to comment on the allegations. Meanwhile, cricket boards in Australia and England are investigating wider claims made in the
Hey, beautifuls.
Almost 60 to 70% matches we can say.
Ralph. I used to have Ralph when I was like about 14 years old. And a little pet bird.
International, we are doing
Found him in the nest when they were cleaning out the garage. Raised him, and then he would fly around and come back home and fly around, and then he got bigger and bigger.
England Test captain Joe Root said,
And he flew around.
It's outrageous that our players have been accused. All the players have the full backing of the ECB.
Ralph.
The International Cricket Council is now facing a major investigation into corruption in cricket in 3 different
See,
countries.
there's absolutely totally blue sky everywhere.
The former Chief Justice of Pakistan Supreme Court has been named interim Prime Minister. That's the rules of what those ends of weeks of
Tell you guys, I'm here for the balance. I'm not here to control anyone, take your soul or anything like that. What other persecutions they put on someone like me? Oh, the Antichrist. You know, leads you out into destruction. Hey, I've met three gods, so whoever you're praying to out there, they know me personally. Yeah, I think you guys really got to see what you practice, what you preach, and see what you've been tripping yourselves over. And along my ways, I'm going to point out some things.
Thursday, Charlotte Ballard's report.